Clipping your dog's hair at home can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to keep their coat healthy and looking great. Whether your dog has a short coat or long, here are some steps to safely and effectively trim your dog's hair with clippers, ensuring a smooth and stress-free grooming experience. Before you begin trimming your dog's hair, it's important to prepare them for the grooming process. Start by calming your dog to ensure they feel relaxed and comfortable. You can do this by offering a few treats, gently petting them, and speaking in a soothing voice to help them feel at ease. Once your dog is calm, brush through their coat with a brush or comb to remove any tangles or mats. This step is crucial, as it will make the clipping process smoother and prevent the clippers from pulling or getting stuck on any knots, ensuring a more pleasant experience for your dog. Start by choosing the right clippers. Pet Saunter Dog Clippers is designed for dog grooming. These clippers are quieter and often have safety features that protect your dog's skin, making the process more comfortable for them. Select the appropriate blade guard size based on how short you want to cut the fur. When it's time to trim your dog's hair, start slowly to help them adjust to the clippers. Turn on the clippers and allow your dog to get used to the sound, keeping the speed low at first to avoid overwhelming them. Gently run the clippers along the grain of the fur to trim the hair, ensuring you follow a smooth and natural path. To make the process more manageable, divide your dog's body into sections and work through them one at a time, starting with an easy area like the back or sides. As you move to more sensitive areas like the legs or belly, take extra care. Maintain a consistent angle with the clippers to avoid uneven cuts, and use gentle pressure. Don't press too hard against your dog's skin. When clipping your dog's hair, it's important to use extra caution around the face, as these areas are more sensitive. Be gentle when trimming around the eyes, ears, and nose, as the skin in these regions is delicate. When trimming the hair around the paws, take your time and be careful. Always proceed with care in these sensitive areas to keep your dog safe and comfortable. After the grooming session, be sure to show your dog plenty of praise and offer them a treat for their cooperation. This positive reinforcement helps your dog associate grooming with a rewarding experience, making future grooming sessions easier and more enjoyable. By acknowledging their calm behavior and providing a treat, you'll help build a positive relationship with grooming and encourage your dog to stay relaxed during the process. Regular grooming helps prevent mats, tangles, and excess shedding while keeping your pet comfortable, especially during warmer months.